Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house here in Ghana. If it is your first time seeing this project, this is the Katamanso decking project. This is the episode 2. In episode 1, we started with the woodwork for the decking and we have FO on this one, right? So FO is renting the wood for the owner for this particular project, which I explained in the first episode. If you want more details on that, you can go to my playlist called the FO project, FO carpentry, which is Chris carpentry, and then you will get more details of this particular project. I might create a playlist for this project as well as we progress, so stay tuned for that as well, right? So a little recap from how we started with this particular project. I explained in my previous episode that we saw one or two things which wasn't right, especially with the staircase area which you are seeing now. It's initially it was a little bit smaller than this, but we extended it, right? So we did some digging, introducing more pillars, breaking some blocks to get the correction done. I also explained how we do work, right? Sometimes when we come to your site and we see something which is not right, with minor works, we can just do a little bit correction and move on. But with major ones, we need to bring Brother Sami on site, and that might cost you a little bit, right? But these are things we will negotiate before, you know, moving on, right? So more details is in my previous episode. So let's move on onto today's episode. So today's episode we will be looking at, FO is done with the carpentry work for the decking. So the steel benders will be in, and also we will see the end result of the correction which we did on this particular project. So FO is moving around, explaining to the owner the cantilevers which he is putting up. So the owner gets daily updates, right, with what is happening on site. And that's the plus you get working with FO. He likes to show you what
So
is
now
happening.
we finish the whole thing. Now we handle it to the step bender. So the step bender twists around. We also start doing it.
So that was FO for you, handling over to the steel bender to do his still works, but that is not he is not actually done here. He has to come to do the sideboarding after the steel benders are done with their work. So FO will be coming back with the final touches, which is the sideboarding, right? So we will get to that part also when the time comes. Here at Ego Production Group, we work hand in hand with other artisans, right? It could be your team, right? So like he said, the steel bender is from our team, and who is Ni, and he will be the one in charge of the steel works here, right? To make sure that things are done correctly, right? So FO actually works very well with Ni. They will come to your site together to take the estimate, look at the drawing and everything. And like I said, if there's anything, they will always come and advise you, which is something that we did with this particular project, right? So it's always great to have a second thought, right? Sometimes when you are building with one team, it is good to actually ask maybe the architect, or just ask someone who has knowledge about construction. Just pay the transportation, something for the person to go do a check, right? Go and look at what is happening, because sometimes some of these guys, they will change things in the architectural drawing, right? When they cannot do something, they cannot tell you, right? Sometimes they do mistakes, and instead of them correcting it, they know it goes into their labor. They know it goes into their charges, because for you to correct a mistake, you have to spend money, which is breaking down blocks, pillars, cost money. Also with their labor, they have to do the work double. So they do skip, right? And then later you finish your house and then it won't give you the shape, right? That, I mean, the 3D that you asked for. You're not gonna get it because they change one or two things in the structure. So please, it's always advisable to check, double check, and
So
cross check.
after casting, you will have your space around. So this is the formwork for now.
So
Let's
this
move to the up. You can see the upper two. You can see, but the beam is what is holding. So it's very important to have the beam inside. That is it. You can see the space from the other side too. The stairs is covering, but you can see you can have your step around there. Thank you.
so let me use that down to the top.
So after the correction, I mean, this is what we were able to come up with, which is a floating staircase. I mean, you will be seeing it after the concrete casting, how it will come up, right? So Efo and Brother Sami is behind this design. I mean, if you want to see more staircase, designs, I mean, we've done it. We've done several, designs floating here. I mean, I think almost every project of mine has a different staircase design, right? So you go to my playlist, all the structures, you see their staircase design. So this is what we are looking to achieve at the end of the day, right? So after concrete casting, this is what we are looking at. So you will be seeing that very soon, right? So these are the still works, right? I mean, it is all about what you can afford, right? Everything is possible, but it comes with a price, right? If you should have a normal staircase, you won't be doing heavy steelworks like this. Like I said, it is a floating staircase, so it needs to be floating. I mean, it needs the stamina, right? So this is how it is looking now. So just stay tuned. At the end, you will see how it will come up, right? So like I said, if you need us to construct your staircase, we will come and do that. I mean, you can have your own carpenter, your own I mean, steel benders and all that. We will just come and focus on the staircase, even if we have to teach your guys how it is done. I believe Brother Sami is willing to do that. I mean, we've done that to several clients, right? Even outside of Ghana, right? Sometimes some people want us to come to Nigeria, Sierra Leone, and other African countries, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina, to come and construct the staircase for them. But we just do it online. We just make a call with their carpenters, and then we direct them how to do it. We talk to their store benders, and then we direct them, to do it, right? So just let us know if you need help with anything. Gigo Production Group is here for you, right? So after FO's work, I mean, the guys are here on it. Nee and his boys, yeah, I mean, amazing guys. I mean, with this team, they're on fire, man. They're on fire. I mean, these are the guys that I'm always scared of when it comes to, the construction, because they are the metal guys. The steel works. I mean, that's a lot of money, right? If you have to do decking and you have to buy all those iron rods. But these guys are doing amazing job, man. I mean, their work burning down, coming up, burning all those metals and all that. I mean, yeah, kudos to them, man. So maybe you have your own carpenter and you need strong guys. You need guys that will come and execute the work. Nee and his boys is here once again. Go to my playlist. It's called the Nee Still Works. You see the works they've done here at Gigo Production Group. I mean, it is all about teamwork here, right? You are not going to give your contract to a contractor mason, and you have to be calling, trying to organize for steel benders, carpenter, electrician. I mean, we have everybody here, right? When this is finished, the next batch comes. When that is finished, the next batch comes, right? So if you want to collaborate with my team, right? I mean, let them know so that they will have contact with your team as well, so that they will get things rolling as soon as possible for you, right? And I mean, you have your peace of mind outside getting videos and pictures of what is happening on your site. And trust me, I know the joy, right? I know what is behind if you are sending your money and you are seeing the work being done, you're seeing results. I mean, that alone reduces so much stress, right? Unlike you sending money and you still have to organize, you still have to ask people to come whilst you are paying them and all that. I mean, that's why Gigo Production Group is operating this way, so that at least you see what is happening. You don't give your money to one person and you don't know what is happening. You get to know what is happening. You can deal with the guys directly, or you trust in Brother Sammy. I mean, he controls this guy. Any project you give to one of my artisans, Brother Sammy always goes there to check, right? We do that checks, which is that's why in my previous episode I said there are things we don't even tell you, right? But that is the plus most of our clients get, right? That second check. That's so. I mean, Balasami has been behind these guys to make sure that they are doing the right thing, and that's why I have my peace of mind. When you have my guys on site, I believe they are doing the right thing, right? So in my next episode, I mean, for now, it's just a view from afar. This house is a massive house. I mean, we will get to that part later, right? So I just wanted to take shape a little bit and then we will talk about the structure itself and all that. So, in my next episode, we will go upstairs and see the work that the guys are doing. Nee will also take us through what they are doing. I mean, you can see there are large expansions in here, so we will be introducing a lot of beams. You see there's so many cantilevers also as well, so the beams has to go in there. Neil will take us through that in our next episode, which is going to be focusing only on the steelworks, right? So you still have the carpenter guys here still working hand to hand with the steelworks, getting things done here, right? So this is your team, and that is the Steel Bender's telephone number on your screen now. I mean, you deal with him directly. I mean, when he comes, he sees something, he will always let us know. He will let you know, and then I mean, we move from there. I mean, he can read drawing very well, right? He can also read drawing very well. So I mean, you can create your own team by just going to my playlist and just selecting the guys on your site. But once again, when they come and they see something wrong, they'll always let you know by introducing Brother Sammy, right? So just
This be the
know
bamboos
that.
that we put. So we almost done. So the stem bed is around, do you know? So now we handle the floor to the stem bed. So we have to go out whole house so that if you finish and then we will come back.
So I think on this note, we will end today's episode on FO's woodwork for the decking. Next episode, we will focus on the steelworks, which you are seeing. The guys are starting to form the beams first, and then later we go with the bar. We will go through that in our next episode. So if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more. All right. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Like do we?